Closing market comments for Tuesday, October the 13th. Grains opened about unchanged last night and rallied. Did sell off and back off a little bit, but then rallied back to close near the highs in soybeans, up on corn by 2 cents and down just slightly in wheat. So pretty good day overall after a big day down yesterday. Traders were a little concerned whether we'd see continuation of that, but we did have a turnaround Tuesday. Now the question is, can we keep this market going on Wednesday, or are we going to go back down again? So funds, as I said yesterday, had record position in soybeans, and we'll have to see what the position is when we get to this weekend. But they did sell estimated 25 to 30,000 contracts each of corn and beans yesterday, so you can see why that would put pressure on along with the harvest activity. USDA did announce the sale of 110,000 metric tons of corn to Mexico this morning, but no sales to China, as many of the traders were expecting. There were rumors going around today that China was in to buy 3 to 5 cargoes off the Pacific Northwest, so we'll have to see whether those come to fruition. Dry weather remains in the western plains and the hard red wheat areas. Concerns with that. South America remains dry as well, but they are receiving some rain, just not as much as normal. France cut their production this morning on corn by 0.6 of a million metric tons to 13.5, and by 0.3 of a million metric ton on wheat to 29.2. Dr. Cordanier put his numbers out for Brazil. He's got Brazil at 3% planted on soybeans. That's the lowest in 10 years. He has the crop at 132.0 million metric tons. That's down from the USDA at 133, and down from CONAB, Brazil's USDA, at 133.6. But any of those numbers would be a new record above last year's record at 124. He has the corn crop at 110 unchanged. That would also be a new record. One concern is that we have delayed planting in beans. That delays the planting of the safrinha double crop corn and puts more stress on it for the situation. Exports for the week, last week, corn at 24.9, down from 34.8. Above last year at 18.9, but we need to ship 46.8, so well below that. Soybeans had another big week, 79.3 million, up from 73.7. Last year 35.1, and we need to average 40.6, but again, beans are going to be early loaded. Wheat at 18.9 million, down from 24.9 the previous week, 18.3 last year, and 17.9 needed per week. Crop conditions came out at 61% on corn, good to excellent, down 1%, but 6% better than last year. Soybeans at 63% good to excellent, down 1 from last week, and 9% better than last year. Corn is 94% mature, 41% harvested. That's up 16% for the week on corn. Soybeans, 93% dropping leaves, 61% harvested. That's up 23% for the week. So we harvested 16% of the corn and 23% of the beans in 1 week in the United States. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.